Hello and welcome to TeckeeG channel. Today we will see how to remove background from any pictures with the help of Photoshop. I tried with my first attempt in a live chat, but here we will see the details, steps to remove any background. After that, all you have to do is click on the object selection tool. On the left, it's the fourth icon. Alright, and select object tools. Now you have to select the picture you want. And it's just like that. Very easy. After that, make sure you delete, if you want a PNG file, make sure you delete the background and copy and paste the selection, and here you go. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video, and let me know if you want another tutorial in the comment below. See you soon.